Hallo liebe Schüler. Today I'll be helping you prepare for the Portfolio Deutsch Level 1, Chapter 1 test review. First, let's talk about some listening section tips. First of all, you need to know the basics of talking about yourself. Know the German alphabet and how the letters sound. Know the German numbers 0 through 20 and be sure you know how to spell them. Let's do some practice for the listening section. If you need to pause the video to give yourself some more time to write, feel free to do that at any time. First, I'm going to need you to record these vocabulary words in your notebook and make sure you memorize them before the chapter test. Vorname, first name. Familienname, last name. Alter, age. Listen to the following couple of names and write them out in your notebook. This is where we will be practicing spelling. Number 1, Nummer 1. M, A, R, C, O. I'm going to repeat it for you. M, A, R, C, O. Number 2, Nummer 2. D, A, D, H, A, R. Again, D, A, D, M, A, R. Number 3, Nummer 3. H, A, L, M, U, T. Again, H, A, L, M, U, T. You should have gotten the following 3 German names: Marco, Dagmar, and Helmut. Listen to the following sets of numbers. There are errors, so you want to write them out correctly. So in number 1, you'll see a string of numbers. I'm going to read you that string of numbers. However, some of the numbers are going to be different because number 1 has errors, and you need to write down the corrected number set. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 8, 5, 9. Again, 0, 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 8, 5, 9. Number 2. Again, there's something wrong with this set of numbers. 0, 9, 8, 6, 5, 9. Again, 0, 9, 8, 6, 5, 9. Number 3, Nummer 3. 6, 7, 9, 8, 0, 5, 3, 5. Again, 6, 7, 9, 8, 0, 5, 3, 5. These are the correct answers that you should have gotten. The numbers in red are the ones that were incorrect in the written ones on the left. Let's go on to some tips for the English. Record and memorize the following vocabulary. There, who. Remember to pause the video if you need more time to write. Meine Freundin, my girlfriend. Jahre, years. Phone, of. Richtig, correct. Falsch, false. Guten Abend, good evening. Guten Abend, good evening. Entschuldigung, excuse me. Herzlichen Willkommen. Heartfelt welcome. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Kinder. Kids. Let's do some practice. Unscramble the following words. Wer bist du? Let's get some tips for the writing section. Be able to spell the numbers 0 through 20. Know how to say how old you are. Know how to say my last name is, in German of course. And be familiar with common questions covered in the chapter. Let's do some writing. Write out the following questions in your notebook. Naturally, you should write these in German. Number 1, be able to ask, what is your name? Number 2, how old are you? Number 3, how do you spell that? Number 4, who is that? You can pause the video now and give yourself some time to think about what these questions are in German. You'll need to know them for the chapter test. Go ahead and pause the video now. Here are the answers to the prior section. What is your name? Wie heißt du? How old are you? Wie alt bist du? Wie schreibst du das? How do you spell that? Wer ist das? Who is that? And wie ist deine Telefonnummer? What is your telephone? Go ahead and pause the video if you need time to make your